This is
Keep your arm out like this,
Callahan
bub.
on your hand, bud. And
Like this.
Ariel up here. Yeah, nice and straight and sturdy for him.
There you go. Oh, we got another one.
This little olive-headed lorikeet for you.
Uh-oh, now they're fighting. You gotta keep it still like this. Put your arm out like this, bub. Don't be scared, buddy. You gotta keep it straight.
Alright. Not gonna hurt.
Like
this, bub.
There we go.
Look. Anthony.
You're doing good. Look,
this.
she's all done. Excellent
Oh,
job.
they ate it already?
Yeah, take them off of you, and I can take your cup for you. Just tickle a little bit, right? He was in the dirt a little bit, so sorry, your feet are a little dirty. These guys here is little olive-head lorikeets, and they have a little smaller tongue, so it takes them a little longer to eat.
Look, they're like running on that thing.
Yeah.
They're like back. That was funny.
Keep going. Behave.
Mm-hmm. Fighting.
Be civil.
Yeah. For you.
That's it, bub.
Guys?
Civil.
See? Nothing to it, right?
You just got a little dirt on their paws.
That's all right,
A little
man.
bit.
You're
Huh?
outside. Dirt's okay.
Yep.
Hey, don't be scaring them.
Thank you guys for walking
Thanks.
through.
That's, yeah. Oh,
Yep.
you see that coming?
Thank you for coming.
All right.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just gonna
Even
let
though
this
they
door
got a little
close real
dirt on
quick.
those things.
Wait, bub.
Gotta go out the exit door.
Yep, gotta go out the